So today I'm talking about a P0638 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a P0638 code? It's a Throttle Actuator Control Range Performance Bank 1. And so what does this mean? Well, throttle body controls all the air going into the engine. There's a little plate inside there that's going to open and close depending how much the gas pedal's been pressed, and it's going to control how much air is going into the engine. When throttle bodies were first introduced, they had a cable that went down to the gas pedal and then went up to the throttle body, and when the gas pedal was pressed, it pulled on this cable, which opened up this plate inside of here. But on newer vehicles, they got rid of that cable that goes down to the gas pedal, and they replaced it with this electronic throttle control system. And the way this works is that there's going to be a sensor located down at the gas pedal called the accelerator pedal position sensor. And when the gas pedal's pressed, it's going to report this back to a computer. There can be a dedicated computer called the Throttle Actuator Control module, or sometimes it could be built into the main computer. But either way, that accelerator pedal position sensor is going to be reporting back to the computer how much this pedal's been pressed. And the computer is going to be controlling the small little motor located on the throttle body that's going to open up and close that plate that's inside of there and let more air go into the engine. There's also what's called a throttle position sensor that's just reporting back to the computer the location of that plate that's inside there, that it's inside the right position. And when you get this P0638 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem in all this. There's some kind of issue going on. And so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. And the Bank 1 side of this code can be ignored pretty much. Bank 1 just means the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and the opposite of that is Bank 2 for V6 or V8 engines. But for the majority of vehicles, Bank 1 is not going to matter for this code. There's only going to be one throttle body, unless you have some kind of high-performance vehicle, like a BMW M5 or something like that, because the majority of engines are only going to have one throttle body. And one thing to note about this code is that some vehicles, depending on the computer, if the throttle body is replaced or sometimes even cleaned, sometimes it needs what's called a relearn. This is really going to vary. Usually you can just start up the engine and drive it around a little bit and the computer can automatically relearn. But sometimes there is set steps that need to be done for the throttle body to relearn. Like I said, usually when you start up the engine, the computer will automatically do a relearn. But just keep in mind that depending on the vehicle and the computer that it has, some throttle bodies, if they're replaced or cleaned, they need what's called a relearn. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0638 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on with the throttle body. It's either gone bad or it's gotten really dirty and just needs to be cleaned up. When these throttle bodies, when they get really dirty, they can get a lot of buildup on them, and that can throw off all these sensors and cause a lot of issues and start setting codes. So if you can, it's a good idea to go and look at that throttle body, check to see if it looks really dirty inside of there. And if it does, it's a good idea to go get some throttle body air intake cleaner, spray up inside of there, clean it up real good. Sometimes you can use like a small rag or a little toothbrush or something like that. I mean, basically just clean it up real good. There's some good videos on that because it is very common for these throttle bodies just to get really dirty. It just need to be cleaned up. It's also possible that that throttle body's gone bad and needs to be replaced. And this is mainly going to have to do with that small little motor that's built into there. The computer's controlling the small little motor that's built into the throttle body to open and close that plate. And there can also be a lot of little gears inside of there and different things like this. And if anything goes wrong with that, then that can set this P0638 code. But the first thing that could cause this is a dirty or bad throttle body. The next thing that could cause this is a bad sensor, and this is mainly going to be the throttle position sensor or the pedal position sensor that's built into the gas pedal. Usually when these sensors go bad, you're going to get another code. So for example, if you also got like a P1121, accelerator pedal position sensor, range performance problem, then in that case, it's going to be a good idea to go check out that pedal position sensor, do some tests to be sure it's working correctly, because the next thing that could cause this is some kind of bad sensor. And the next thing that could cause this is some kind of wiring issue. Just keep in mind that there's any kind of open, short, blown fuse, bad connections, anything like this, and this is going to cause problems. So the first thing is that it's a good idea to go check for any blown fuses. Which fuse is controlling is really going to vary. It's going to depend on the vehicle. But for example, here's a 2008 Chevy Silverado, and the fuse to go and check for this would be fuse number 5, ECM throttle control, 15 amp fuse. Here's another example of a 2015 Toyota Corolla. Toyota very commonly has these labeled ETCS, electronic throttle control system. For this is going to be on fuse number 8. That would be the fuse to go and check. If the fuses keep blowing or you think there's some kind of wiring problem, you can go and get wiring schematics for that particular vehicle. You can go and check the wiring to be sure everything looks like it's good. Usually there's like 5 volts going to this circuit. You also need a good ground. But the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of wiring problem on the throttle actuator control circuit. And the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And this could be a dedicated throttle actuator control module, which could be a standalone computer that's just dedicated to this circuit. or it could be built into the main computer, the ECM, the PCM, the ECU, whatever they want to call it. It can also be built into that. So again, it can really vary on what's going on depending on the vehicle. If you do think you have a bad computer, be sure to check all your fuses, or be sure that the battery's good. You can even check and be sure that the alternator's charging correctly, because all these computers, they need a good stable power supply, or that could throw them off and just cause them to start having problems and setting codes. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0638 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.